got the $10, the $8, the $5.
Should we get the 10
or
just
the
for
$3.
video?
You want to do the $10?
Yeah.
Let's see if I think I've got a $10 bill. Hang on. Okay.
Doing the
This is the Express Works.
Purchase, make a selection, then enter the amount shown.
Double Armor All Tire Shine, double pre-soak,
Let's
clear
get
coat,
it.
rim shine, wheel brightener, and underbody rust inhibitor.
Please deposit the amount shown.
This is the best car wash in town, as it says on that sign over there.
Thank
For
you for your purchase. For a receipt, press print. Please pull into the wash bay.
Here we go.
Here we go. We're going to the car wash. Unlimited wash plans. Oh, zombie burger. Wow.
Oh wow. Broward House zombie.
Oh, this looks interesting.
All right, here we go.
Right, wait for the dude, I guess.
Yeah.
And
Neutral.
what?
Neutral.
Well, it's pink.
No, I found where there's a leak.
Well,
right here. That's okay.
someone must have just come out, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, here it comes. We're going any second now, Mommy.
Gives it a pre-soak.
I guess. Well, here it comes, I think. Yep.
Here we go.
The middle should come on any second. Here it comes.
Oh, he's even giving me my back windshield this round.
What is
Ooh,
this?
It's like raining soap.
Body bonjo. Yeah, this is called like the lava or something.
This is cool.
I know.
Oh, smell it.
I know. It smells
It
awesome.
smells awesome.
I like the middles. Oh yeah, it smells almost fruity.
It does. It smells great.
Here are the middles. Next is the wraparounds. Red. I think the theme is red and blue.
Red and blue. Yeah, here they come.
Like the Rainstorm Express
And
car
there's
wash.
some smaller ones down here.
They're not going very fast.
The bitters are hitting the back of the car.
I know, they're loud.
Oh, look at all this multicolored.
I know,
stuff.
body. I can't read that, but you can see the little one down there. Tri-foam now.
Awesome.
I'm trying my best.
Wheel something.
Cleaner, I think.
Wheel blaster.
Yeah, there's little wheels. You can see it really spinning down. Oh, yeah. Holy hell. Oh, I like these.
All right, here comes some rinsing. Oh, another bitter card.
Listen to how loud that is.
Wow, I thought we were a lot farther through than we actually are.
What do you mean?
We're almost at the end.
I know, we
Oh,
are.
we're getting Rain-X.
Oh my god, that smell.
That smells so good.
I can't get over how good that
It's
smells.
citrusy.
It is.
All right, here comes
Rain-X?
the spot-free rinse and the tire
Spot-free rinse and dryers.
and the dryer.
I don't know how well you can see that down there, but there's little buffers. Wow, my camera on my phone is sucking.